I love my life. 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 I love my life.
God, back in London, you guys. My car is trying. It's really not working with me. The shit. It's moving to the side instead of going forward. Like, it's entire shit show. Shit show. But I am back. I'm excited to spend the New Year's with my family. Guys, I forgot my face mask. I'm so annoyed. Spent money on the damn face mask and forget to bring it. And this one chick was hacking on the plane. It was so disgusting. It sounded like she had tons and tons of phlegm in her throat. It was disgusting. So as per usual, babe is late because I actually made it out of the airport and I did not see him. He just called me. He's like, I'm 2 minutes away. So I am playing the waiting game. What do you guys think about this hair? I saw something on Instagram and I was trying to recreate it. It didn't quite come out exactly the way that I wanted it to, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. This patch right here should have been like a really blonde. I did this 3 times, you guys. It completely, totally fried my hair. Fried it. Anyway, we're here. I'm rocking a very casual fit. Black tracksuit with my mock turtleneck and white sneakers. Oily face much? Oh my god, my face is so oily, you guys. Whenever I go to sleep and wake up, it's like you can get like a pound or a gallon of oil from my face. I don't know why my face gets so oily when I sleep. What is with that? Anyway, guys, I'm in London. I am about to go see Pencil right now. My funeral. Aww. Beautiful white horses. Fancy. That's the reason for the traffic. I was wondering why there was so much traffic on my way to Pencil's house. This lighting. I don't know if it's my hair, the hair color, or what. Or the lighting that's washing me out, but ooh child. Holy Ghost. Just made it to Pensa, guys. I'm bringing her rum. Like I got not come from. My daddy brought rum for her from Jamaica last time. So I've got rum for her. Big man. You hear him out, guys? When you hear him out? I'm not even come good yet. What you say? Are we joined at the hips? Hi, Mom. What's that? We can't manage you, lady. See your room where I kill myself for how long? Please take this remote out of my hand.
Hey, my baby father.
Yeah. Who can't have you
Pull
father?
up baby father said my room every time that girl come here. Pull up baby father. I want to make a good up baby father.
Who can't have you father? I bat you guys. Bat's here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where's my food, Mom?
Wash your hand and go in
I'm
there.
hungry, man.
So me just on the stove it up.
Starving.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You want to start black?
About 4 o'clock.
Okay.
See, no, I use a big 6 o'clock.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. They use a big from my and said, but I forget that one.
Did you? Oh, that's it.
And I look tough, but not that tough enough.
So we have it for?
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh.
Did you cut one of the cakes, mommy? Did you cut one of the cakes? Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, them dumpling look like them full of caramel, so. Oh God, I don't like caramel dumpling.
Eh?
No.
Me never know that.
I tell you that, mommy.
Me never hear that thing.
You forget. You forget. You know that.
Why the flour dumpling 6 stomach, me love?
Me love it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Me update now.
How can I am? Some yellow yam.
Soft yam. Yellow yam them bitter now, you have to know what you do. Them bitter. When you buy the soft yam, them can't bitter. Yellow yam them bitter.
Let me take one, please.
And it tastes good, you know? It gummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, look at my plate. Ah! Oh my God. And then I have a cup of sorrow. I'm about to chow down. Guys, the sorrel is hitting. I have to be mindful not to record while Pencil's on the phone with her friends because I just heard some background chitter chatter in like the last clip I made. I'm like, oh my God. Well, I'm on my business and our friend their business. I will not be sharing that with you guys. Guys, I got a French mani and I absolutely love it. It's been so long since I've done something like this to my nails. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but I recently started rocking this shape. It's not quite a stiletto, but it's kind of like pointy and curved at the same time. I forgot what this particular shape is called. I love it. And I think it looks even that much better with the freaking French tips on it. It's gorgeous. Doesn't it look so dainty and pretty, you guys? And it looks super long from this angle, but I don't think, because I can't wear long nails anymore, but it's just about that length. But I have pretty long nail beds, so it looks really long, but it's just that. Yeah, I like it. Anyway, you guys, as per usual, I'm tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap. Mom's in the bathroom. Me and Pencil on the road, you guys. Mommy. I met a very nice lady who was like, tell Pencil I said hello. Hello. Don't mind her, you guys. She's on her way to go get her hair done. Hence the reason why she looked like a mother woman.
Pencil busy like busy, you know? We can't hold pencil this 2020.
It's not 2020 yet, mommy.
But let her come, you know?
Did that come?
Oh.
And them can't hold you.
You know, you're the name Pencil. You think I created?
What? And a crayon, guys, and a marker, a pencil.
Watch your money back. Where you speed?
Huh?
Where you pushing this?
All right. So. I told Cheyenne I was in Brixton, and she came and met me.
From my car. Wait, hold on, no, I haven't fixed my hair. I got it from
From whom, Mom?
I'm trying to find the heels for you, Batista.
Okay.
What he did was absolutely amazing. Come on. Ian Batista. Okay.
But do you know the sets I'm talking about with the skirts and the matching tops and the tights? You know, like that black and white thing that Mommy had? I don't like that one, but they had some other prints that I liked. The sets that they had.
Oh, the
that
cover-ups.
everybody was wearing all the time. The dress, they had skirts and tops, they had tights and tops.
No,
never
it's
saw them in
over.
America.
It's over.
It was only
They
a temporary
it was a
thing?
collab
With who?
with Paul something. I remember because everyone at
Everybody
Carl's
was wearing
birthday
them.
party was
Yeah.
wearing, oh god. Oh god.
What about the hair?
Oh god. My I'm so hot. I think it's nice. It suits you.
With color?
Yeah. I like how it fades from dark to light.
That's the part that Mommy doesn't like.
Well, because
I should have kept it all in one color. Cindy and Cheyenne Take bricks.
Her salon is...
Oh,
I don't know, you
Jesus.
have to call her, I don't know.
Here, guys. We got free parking in the Tesco. I think it's a Tesco. Parking's about to be out because we've been running around this whole time.
Can we look in Top Shop?
Window shopping, basically. Because nobody's buying anything.
Well, we did. we bought some cute stuff from the Body Shop.
Thank you, darling.
This is where we parked.
Thank you. Thank you, darling.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Oh, she's stank, people.
You fresh.
She's stinky.
She fresh. No, nobody can smell good like me. She bread. Hi, Shy Shy. God. Okay. I should have took my coat off before I came in here. It feels so restricting, but it's way too hot to wear it in the car.